What's up? So I found a new glitch. Glitch. Look, I'm jumping here. It's still glitching somehow. I can't get out for no reason. Trying to get out. Nope. So yeah, that's a problem right there. Once human fix this, fix it. Fix it. So I'm trying once again, and I still haven't moved. I can only jump. That's all, and also roll. I don't know if I can dunk though. Duck, dunk, duck. Yeah, okay, duck. Let's try the ghost of the wasteland first. Oh, I forgot. It's destroyed. Sorry about that. I have been doing this for 2 whole minutes. I'm still stuck. Once human, please fix the. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Like.